Hello guys, welcome back to the Zaki Crypto Update channel, your best crypto plug for all things cryptocurrency. I'm thrilled to have you here today because we've got some major news to cover that could have a huge impact on the future of XRP. As many of you know, the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit has been one of the most closely watched legal battles in the crypto space, and now it's finally coming to an end. So grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's dive into what this all means for XRP and whether we could see it hitting that coveted $1 mark soon. All right, let's kick things off by breaking down what just happened. The Ripple versus XC lawsuit, which has been dragging on since December 2020, has finally reached a conclusion. If you've been following the case, you know it's been a roller coaster of emotions for XRP holders and the broader crypto community. The SEC had accused Ripple of violating U.S. securities laws by selling XRP, which they claimed was an unregistered security. This lawsuit has had a massive impact on XRP's price over the past few years, causing uncertainty and volatility. But now, after nearly 4 years of legal wrangling, Judge Annalisa Torres has made a final ruling. Ripple has been ordered to pay $125 million in civil penalties. Yes, you heard that right, $125 million. But what's really interesting is that this ruling also included an injunction to prevent Ripple from violating securities laws in the future. This is a critical point because it gives Ripple a clear path forward without the constant cloud of legal uncertainty hanging over its head. For those of you who are new to this case, let me give you a quick rundown. The CC's lawsuit claimed that Ripple's sale of XRP tokens was an unregistered securities offering. Ripple, on the other hand, argued that XRP is a currency, not a security, and therefore should not be subject to securities laws. The case had some major twists and turns, with Ripple winning a partial victory in July 2023 when the court ruled that secondary sales of XRP, like those on exchanges, were not considered securities transactions. However, Ripple still had to answer for direct institutional sales, which led to this final ruling. Now, let's talk about what this ruling means for XRP's price. The market reacted quickly and decisively to the news, with XRP surging over 20% in a single day, climbing from the $0.50 range all the way to around $0.62. That's a huge move, especially considering the recent market conditions. This price action erased the losses from earlier in the week and set a new tone for XRP going forward. But why did this happen? Well, the resolution of this lawsuit removed a significant amount of uncertainty that had been weighing down XRP for years. Traders and investors had been anticipating some sort of settlement or resolution since early July, when rumors started circulating that Ripple and the SEC were close to an agreement. These rumors were fueled by a series of large XRP transfers, which many speculated were tied to a potential settlement. When the news finally broke, it was like a pressure valve had been released. Traders flocked to XRP, driving the price up rapidly. The conclusion of the case was seen as a bullish development because it removed the risk of further legal challenges, at least for now. The fact that Ripple was able to settle the case with a fine rather than facing more severe penalties was also seen as a positive outcome. At the time of writing, XRP is trading around $0.618, and the technical indicators are flashing some strong bullish signals. The relative strength index, or SI, which measures the speed and change of price movements, is currently sitting at 69. This is just below the overbought territory, but it's a clear sign that the bulls are in control. When the RSI is this high, it typically indicates strong momentum and suggests that the price could continue to rise in the short term. But that's not all. We're also seeing a golden cross forming on the charts. This is when the 50-day exponential moving average EMA crosses above the 200-day EMA, and it's considered one of the most reliable bullish signals in technical analysis. A golden cross suggests that a new bullish trend is beginning, and it could mean that XRP is gearing up for a significant move higher. Another bullish sign is the increase in open interest in the futures market. According to data from CoinLast, open interest in XRP futures has surged by 50% in just 24 hours, reaching $1.19 billion. For those of you who might not be familiar, open interest refers to the total number of outstanding futures contracts that have not been settled. When open interest rises along with the price, it suggests that new money is flowing into the market, which is typically a bullish sign. But with all these bullish signals, it's important to remember that markets are never one-way streets. We could see some profit taking after such a significant move, especially if traders who bought in at lower levels decide to lock in their gains. If XRP can close the day above $0.60, that would be a strong confirmation of the bullish trend. However, if it fails to hold above this level, we could see a pullback to around $0.55, which is the next major support level. While the conclusion of this lawsuit is a major milestone for Ripple and XRP, it's worth noting that this might not be the end of the story. The SEC has the option to appeal the ruling, and there's a good chance they will. If the SEC decides to challenge the court's decision, it could drag this saga out even longer, adding more uncertainty to the market. An appeal could also have broader implications for the crypto industry as a whole. The Ripple case is seen as a precedent-setting case that could influence how other cryptocurrencies are regulated in the future. If the SEC wins an appeal, it could lead to stricter regulations for other projects, which might weigh on the market. On the other hand, if Ripple's victory holds, it could pave the way for a more favorable regulatory environment for the entire crypto space. So while the immediate reaction to the ruling has been positive, it's important to keep an eye on any developments regarding a potential appeal. The next few weeks could be critical in determining the long-term impact of this case on XRP in the broader crypto market. As we move forward, there are a few key risks to keep in mind. First, as I mentioned earlier, we could see some selling pressure as traders take profits after the recent rally. This could create some volatility in the short term, especially if XRP struggles to hold above the $0.60 level. Second, the broader crypto market sentiment will play a big role in determining XRP's price action. If Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to perform well, it could provide additional support for XRP. However, if we see a broader market pullback, it could drag XRP down with it. Now, let's address the million-dollar question, can XRP hit $1? Based on the current technical indicators, market sentiment, and the resolution of the lawsuit, it's certainly within the realm of possibility. The bullish momentum is strong, and if XRP can break through key resistance levels, we could see it push towards $0.70 and beyond. However, the road to $1 won't be without its challenges. We'll need to see sustained buying pressure, a supportive broader market environment, and no major negative news like an SEC appeal to keep the rally going. If all the stars align, $1 could be just the beginning of a larger move higher. But remember, this is crypto, anything can happen. That's why it's so important to stay informed, manage your risk, and have a plan in place whether you're holding for the long term or trading the short term moves. So there you have it, guys, the latest on XRP, the Ripple versus CC lawsuit, and where we might be headed next. This is a pivotal moment for XRP and the entire crypto market, and the next few weeks will be crucial in determining the long-term outlook for Ripple and its native token. As always, I'm here to keep you updated with the latest developments, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of the action. I'll be keeping a close eye on XRP and will bring you all the latest news and analysis that happens. I'd love to hear what you think about the Ripple versus SC case and where you see XRP going from here. Do you think we'll hit $1 soon, or are you expecting some pullbacks? Let's get the discussion going. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay sharp, stay informed, and keep your eyes on the market.